Tesla's chief executive, Elon Musk, says he wants to drive the electric car company in a new direction, taking the multinational corporation into private ownership. Shareholders will be offered $420 per share. That makes the company worth $80 billion. Dr. Stephanie Hare, who is an independent analyst, joins me now. Welcome to the briefing, Stephanie. Interesting the way that Elon Musk made this announcement, not by an official regulatory filing, but on Twitter.
That's right, and he did so very shortly after a scoop from the Financial Times, which reported that the Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund had taken a $2 billion stake, a private stake, and they did so on secondary markets, not on primary markets, which is again really important in terms of the sequencing of what moves we might see towards a potential taking back of private control of this company.
But that, that caused a spike in shares, so much so that trading was suspended.
That's right, and it's really important to understand that on the one hand, Elon Musk speaks very frankly on Twitter, so he has said all sorts of things, joking on April Fools, for instance, that the company was going to go bankrupt, which is a little bit possible even at the rate that they burn through cash, right? So he's facing a cash crunch period. He needed that cash injection from an investor. And the Saudi Wealth Fund now, the Sovereign Wealth Fund, is now one of the 8th biggest investors in Tesla as a result of this stake.
And how important is that, given the latest results that we had from Tesla, that investment from the Saudis?
It's really important. It's significant because they have been making moves to buy up all sorts of different technology funds. This is a way for them to diversify away from oil and into technology. So it's really exciting. But on the other hand, we have to go back to the way that Elon Musk has communicated this move. It's entirely possible that this could just be some sort of joke or that he's trailing it. We just don't know yet. But the really risky thing is that if he were to have communicated something that elevated his share price and then he doesn't do it, that could actually get him in trouble with the securities authorities in the United States.
Okay. Stephanie, thanks very much for your thoughts, and we'll talk more a little later.